Welcome to the Durafit installation guide.
For treadmill model Durafit Strong Surge DFI-HAI01.
Let's first take all the contents of the package and understand the product. The running area of the treadmill along with the motor, the support shafts, the control panel, toolkit for installation and maintenance, 100% silicone oil for lubrication, safety magnetic clip. The installation of the treadmill is very simple and can be done by anyone without any previous knowledge of the product. All we need is 2 people and 1 hour of time for the installation to get the product up and running. First of all, lift the running portion of the treadmill and carefully place it in the area where you want to install the treadmill. Be careful during this step, as this part of the treadmill is the heaviest. The side with the motor is heavier and hence needs to be handled carefully. Do not cut the tag under the running area that connects it to the shafts. If the tags are cut, the hydraulic system gets activated, making it difficult to lift this part in a pre-assembled state.
Be warned that your hands can be locked in the treadmill body if you try to lift the treadmill after the tags are cut. If the tags are cut, you can push the treadmill to the required position using the wheels.
Once the running portion of the treadmill is positioned in the installation area, we can move on to fix the steel shafts on the body of the treadmill. There are 2 shafts in your package and there are 2 slots for them on the running portion of the treadmill. One slot has a wire in it and the other slot is empty. First fix one of the shafts into the slot that is empty. Ensure that the logo of Durafit on the shafts is facing towards the outside.
Take the connecting wire from the accessories package and connect it to the wire coming out of the shaft.
Push the connected wire through the remaining shaft so that the wire comes out of the other end of the shaft. Now carefully place the shaft into the slot and slide it in. Ensure you don't pull the wire too hard during the step. Please do this step with 2 people. Now use the screws from the toolkit as shown in the video to fix the shaft in place.
Use the washers provided in the toolkit along with all the screws wherever the screw heads are coming in contact with the treadmill body.
Please use the Allen spanner or the screwdriver in the kit as per the need. Do not tighten the screws completely, as you can tighten all the screws only once the installation is complete. Now the control panel has to be fixed. Slowly place the control panel on top of the shafts. Connect the wire from under the control panel to the connecting wire that we took out from one of the shafts. Once connected, press the wire into the shaft so that it is not damaged. Now, slowly slide the control panel into the shafts simultaneously on both the sides. Be careful during the step, as the control panel has delicate electronic parts that can lose function if mishandled or dropped. Now use the screws from the toolkit as shown in the video to fix the control panel in place.
Once again, use washers wherever the screw heads meet the treadmill body.
Please use the Allen spanner or the screwdriver in the kit as per your need. Now tighten all the screws once to ensure proper alignment. Please use the Allen spanner or the screwdriver in the kit as per your need. Now the installation is complete. You can plug the treadmill, fix the safety key and start your first trial of the
treadmill model Durafit Strong.
Please go through our video on operation guide to fully understand how to operate the treadmill. Thank you.